Hello and welcome to my rapid traffic flow review. In this review, I'm going to tell you exactly what rapid traffic flow is, and I'm going to also take you into the members area and show you what you get with rapid traffic flow as well. So make sure you stay until the end. That way you see what you get with your purchase of rapid traffic flow. So what is rapid traffic flow? Well, rapid traffic flow is a course that's going to show you how James and Max has reverse engineered a super simple trick that affiliates use to unleash a nonstop flood of daily clicks and sales. So they're going to show you how you can take the power of what other people are doing to get things working with them in affiliate marketing. And they're going to show you how you can do it for yourself. And they're going to show you how they reverse engineered that and how you can do the same for you. Also, they're going to show you some super simple tricks, super simple things that you can do to get your links known, things that Google loves to show on Google here on the top of their search engines, and their search results pages. So they're going to love to see what you're doing here with this. So as you scroll down here, you don't have to worry about ads or outreach or websites or headaches or anything like that. Discovery that changed everything. So they create products all the time to sell along with being full-time affiliates. For months, we'd match our affiliate dashboards light up with mammoth sales from usernames we've never even heard of. Totally anonymous marketers just smashing the leaderboard. One anonymous affiliate made about $5,000 in a single launch with no social footprint. Another made 31,000 clicks onto the sales pages, and they wondered how they did it. Another one made $28,000 with only 3,000 clicks, so they wanted to figure out what's going on with that. So what they did is they reversed what they call reversed engineered. So we've reversed engineered every click, every redirect, and every timestamp. And what we found was an insanely easy tactic that, when triggered a certain way, forces a ton of eyeballs to any offer inside 24 hours time frame. And those ghost affiliates who were quietly weaponing this glitch while the rest of us fought for scraps and tried to make sales the hard way. They weren't using a list, and it made us mad for how easy this was, and it wasn't fair. But we quickly said to ourselves, if we can't beat them, let's join them. So we duplicated their crazy simple steps, added free AI to cut the workload to minutes, and the results were insane. And they did 713 affiliate sales, $10,000 in just 30 days with this. Here, 317 sales and $5,000 on a side account doing this. And they did leaderboard domination with 3 top 5 positions against top affiliates all day, every day. So now that you know exactly what this is, I want to show you inside the members area. That way you get kind of an idea of what you're getting with this. So it's a course, it's a video course. What I've done is I've taken a screenshot of this, and I blacked out some things. I don't want to give the whole course away of what it is. So introduction, welcome to rapid traffic formula, big picture, the big reveal, reverse engineering the competition. And this is going to show you, the next 3 videos is going to show you how to use certain sites in certain ways. So this one you can dominate with a certain site. This next one is hand-free real traffic using a certain way. And then this one is using AI-generated things to drive easy, free traffic. Next one is a case study. The next one is an extra module, the Evergreen Traffic Blueprint. Everybody wants evergreen stuff. This is an amazing module, and you've made it. Watch this now. There are some upgrades available for this. Go ahead and take a look at them if you want. You don't have to get any upgrades with this. The front-end product is just fine. But if you're looking to take this to the next level, you can look at the upgrades as well. So rapid traffic flow, in my opinion, is an amazing product that shows you how to reverse engineer the competition to see how these people are making I wouldn't say big time commissions, but making a lot of commissions with launches on Warrior Plus. And they're going to show you how they do it. Plain and simple, they're going to show you how they do it. So thank you for watching until the end, and thank you for watching my rapid traffic flow review.